Hey guys, let's talk about silver. Yeah, I will talk about silver after its strong rally. I'll talk about the potential sell-off. Here is the disclaimer. Please read it, guys. So let's take a look. First of all, on the economic calendar, and earlier today, guys, the U.S. reported lower inflation. And I told you guys also today in my market breakdown video that if the US reports lower inflation, then the US dollar could lose ground, yeah, versus its rivals. And you already know from my analysis, from my videos, from my webinars, that when the US dollar depreciates versus rivals, then gold and silver could jump higher. So let's take a look here on silver. Okay, 1 hour chart, amazing rally, and you can see that the price reached the supply zone here on 1 hour, but and also it has reached my the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork here as a potential upside target. But yeah, I also need a bearish pattern. I also need a bearish formation before taking action, before going before maybe considering going short. Okay, maybe in the short term it could only retreat, which could be natural after this amazing rally. But if I don't have a high probability setup and trade, I don't want to place a trade, because it could only retreat to retest the immediate support levels or demand zones, and then it could extend its growth, because yeah, the bias is still bullish, guys. Okay, so that's why I would like the price to come back again to retest the upper medium line, to retest, and then maybe if it will register new false breakouts and retesting the upper medium line of the ascending pitchfork, and developing a bearish pattern here inside of this major supply zone, then I will look for shorts. But personally, I wanted to talk about this market, because after this amazing rally, we cannot exclude retreats, maybe temporary retreats. But personally, I need strong confirmation, yeah, retest before catching a new sell-off or a larger downside movement. Okay, I don't want to catch only a small sell-off here and then the price to extend its growth. Yeah, I need a high probability trade, like today's US dollar versus the the Japanese yen. Yeah, this was my setup today for the VIP group. It would have been amazing as the US reported lower inflation. Yeah, personally, I've decided, because the price was here, personally I've decided to delete the pending order before the US data dump. And yeah, but it would have been actually it would have been amazing. Yeah, massive sell-off, but only because the US reported lower inflation. Because if the US consumer price index, core CPI, would have announced it, or show it, or it would have reported higher inflation. Yeah, it would have, if the CPI it would have reported or the core CPI would have reported higher inflation, then most likely the US dollar it would have rallied. Yeah, and the US dollar Japanese yen, it would have extended its growth. And this is the thing. Yeah, but high probability setups. That's why right now I'm looking for a new setup in silver. Okay, in silver, but I still need confirmation here also on lower time frames. I would like the price to come back to retest here, and then boom, right? Here is a disclaimer. Please read it, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye bye.